Look at the pictures and circle the correct given word in the box and color the pictures. Bus, train, car. Car. Jet, boat, ship. Jet. Jeep, train, bus, train. Train, boat, truck, boat. Truck, car, ship, truck.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.